Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do my best to install this seat cover that I bought off of the TikTok shop, and it was like 21 bucks. This is the headrest part, and I'm gonna open it up and show you guys how it looks. It's nighttime right now, so bear with me. I was gonna do it earlier, but got caught up, a little busy. Look how it looks. Looks really nice. This is the back. It got like a zipper, and the back got some things to hook it to the back. And as for the front, you have one part that you could hook it underneath the seat. This is the headrest, and this is the manual. Give you some directions. I don't know if you guys could see, but I'm trying my best. I don't want my battery to die. My battery is dying, but show the directions, and I'm gonna show you how bad my seat is in the car. Where's my keys? Have it in my pocket. Oh wow, the keys in my pocket. Pop it open. So see how bad my seats are now, guys. 15 or 16 years. It's been 16-year-old car. So here's messed up. Here's messed up. And yeah, all messed up. So that memory seat, let that move back. Turn off the light. Alright, so this is the before, and I'm gonna do my best to set it up, show you guys the after. Alright, so this is the bottom piece. Yep, this is the bottom piece right here. Turn on the light so you guys can see. And basically, let me unzip. Oh, it's unzip. Basically, I'm gonna put it on like you're putting on a dress. Feel me? Like a female putting on a dress. You put it over like so. Let me try to fix the back of it. Yeah, put it on just like a female putting on her dress. Go to the back. Try to pull it down. Pull it down just like so. Further down. Just like a female putting on a dress, guys. Feel me? It's getting there. Getting there. Alright, guys. This is how it looks. So now, what I'm gonna do, it came with this, and I still haven't put on the headrest yet. The headrest is still right here. It's pretty easy. And this part right here for the headrest, you could stick it. So basically, gotta lift it up a little bit and then stick it just like so. So, but either or, I still have these clips right here. The back part, I'm gonna clip it, bring it to the back, and I'm gonna use one of these pins, these hooks, to hook the bottom piece underneath the seat so it could hold, you know, hold properly and don't move. So it fits pretty good. So far so good, you know. But let me try to get the headrest part properly fit in properly. Alright, this is the back part. This is the back part. Let me get some extra light up in here. And that light ain't do no justice. But this is easy. All I have to do is just do this. Basically, just put it over. Man, I'm not gonna lie. Holding the camera and doing some extra work, man, it really plays with your intelligence. I'm not gonna lie with that. It really give you, not play with your intelligence, but it give you a harder time, if you guys know what I mean. So just like so. And what I like about it too, you have a pouch that you could put certain things back here, so you don't miss out. Because you know the original one, they do have a pouch as well, the seat by itself. So I'm gonna try to zip. Need to zip it closer, or what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off the headrest. I'm going to take off the headrest. That's what I'm going to do. Let me pull it up some. I can't really do it with one hand, but you basically press this button in and push up. Alright, so I got it pushed up, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to zip it and zip it to closer. You know, just zip it closer. That's what I'm going to do. So just pull it that way. And it's supposed to be just like this. Alright. So it should look just like that. Firm and nice. Let me go back to the front now. Alright, back to the front. Now, as for this bottom piece, I'm going to put it underneath. I'm like hook it underneath the seat. And as for here, I'm gonna put this in like in between of the seat like this. See that? Just push it in between. I was supposed to use the other side to use the other side too. Okay, there we go. The back part is very important to pull it in. These pins right here, I'm supposed to use it for the back part, but let me take it out. Alright guys, this show two demonstration. One right here, just the way how I have it right now. The second part is use the two round parts, which is this go behind of the belt part and go run it all the way to the back of the seat. As you can see, the two of them is right there, which is this is one and this is two. So it's two of them run to the back, so it hold in place. And this part go to the front, which is this clip right here, this pin right here, and I should be done. So I use this pin, I connect basically right here, so it holds. Alright, I'm back. So here I got it into the loop, basically this loop right here, you're gonna see it. Got it through the loop, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just connect it on the here like so. just like that. See it where I pinned it? Pin it right there. So yes, last but not least is this two part right here in the back. This is one side and I need to get the other side. All right, right there's the other side. Try to hold the camera properly, and you could just do it like this. Sorry guys. And just do it just like this. Just get it between the loop. Not that hard. Just get it between the loop like so. As you can see, I got it. So it's supposed to be like this. And I'm gonna try to push it behind the seat, or grab it behind the seat so it can hold. Alright, so let's go to the back. Yep. Let's go to the back. Alright guys, look what I did. So I got it to the back and I looped it. So basically what I meant by I looped it, it's supposed to be like just like this. So just like so. You see how it looks? I put one side of the string this side, then I twist it and put the other side of the string. So it's supposed to hold like this. So no matter what, it could never pull away. And it's the same thing that I did. The same thing that I did on this side. I looped it, put it this way. See it? Put it to that loop at the top and twist it and put it at the bottom, and then let it go, and it fits. It's really tight. But as you can see, you can't really pull that much because it's really tight. I'm sorry that my battery is dying, so I don't have no more light. So I'm just trying to use this backup light that I have. But I just want to give you guys a good look of it. You see? It's easy and simple. It's easy, no big deal. So that's what I did. It was between the seat. I pulled it from between the seat and do it just like so. As you can see, this is the string from the seat, and I looped it. I put it through this loop right here, which is this open spot. Then I twist it and put it there and just release it. So it won't go back. It's gonna stay just like that. It's gonna stay just like that, guys. It's not gonna move, not gonna go nowhere, no matter what. It's not gonna go nowhere. So easy and simple, and yeah, piece of cake. And let me go back to the front and show you guys how it looks. And it feels very comfortable. Real comfortable, guys. Real comfortable. Fits perfectly. Feels solid. I love it. Match my interior. Match the interior. Brown steering wheel. Brown wood grain. It matched. Steering wheel, the seats, it match, guys. It match. This will be the outcome. This is how it looks. All set up, all done. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Tell me guys what you think. Look at the setup. Fits perfectly. Perfect fit. Perfect fit, guys. Perfect fit. Peace. Bye bye. Take care. God bless.